Hey everybody, how's it going? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore my E90's headlights back to good clarity. Now it's a bit misty, it's a bit foggy, and you've got a little bit of dead oxidation on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the proper method. We're going to sand it down and we're going to make sure it gets 100% clarity. We're going to use a dual action polisher along with some Meguiar's cutting and polishing compounds, and we'll get this thing started. So hope you stay tuned. So let's get started with that. Okay, this video is also going to be a follow-up to my previous video in which I showed you last time how to restore the spot lamps. So the process is similarly the same, just a bigger area. So I'm not going to go through all of the stuff like with the products and anything, because everything is listed in the previous video. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead. I'll leave an annotation down here, there's a card up here. So let's go ahead and just get started with that. Now when you are working with polishing and sanding on the car, you want to make sure that everything around the headlight is protected. So we're going to use some masking tape so we don't accidentally sand out on the paint of the bumper itself. So we're only focusing our attention on the headlight, so we just want that. It's even better if you open up the bonnet so that this area here is free, so you don't have to worry about masking over here. If you don't want to do that, it's fine. You can just put the masking tape all over here and you're good to go. Something like that, just to have the masking tape around so you don't overkill your paint, so you don't sand over the paint, so that'll just be some sort of protection against it, so you have a guideline where to stop and work your way around that. We're going to use some various grades of sandpaper. I'll throw it down all the description down below so you can see what types of sandpaper has been used, and I'll even link a kit in the description so you can check that out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll show you what happened in a few minutes. But we've sanded the headlights, I've polished it, and I've got everything crystal clear. And now let me bring you in and let's show you exactly how it looks. Okay, this is the driver's side. As you can see, there's no haze anymore. This happened because the previous owner decided to put a headlight film, and the people that installed it shriveled the plastic. I'm not too sure if you actually can see it, but on camera everything looks cool. And also the passenger side, you actually see the reflection of me behind the headlight. You can see the clarity in it. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for that. All the steps that I've used, I haven't recorded it. I did off camera so you can actually see it in the previous video. Everything is exactly the same way. If you watch the previous video, you'll see it in this one as well. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, I'll throw out a card in the corner over here so you can see the previous video. Follow the steps and everything should be fine. Anyway guys, yep. So anyway guys, that's it for this part 1 of this video. If you want to see part 2, where I'm actually going to be modifying the headlights and I'm going to do something kind of different, stay tuned for that video. It's coming up soon. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.